Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about shopstatisticlosses.com review? If yes, then watch this video because we are going to share unbiased review on this website because it is getting popular in different parts of the world, especially in United States. So let's check out the detail. It is an online store that sells different varieties of women clothing, like you can get sweatshirts, jeans, jumpsuits, skirt sets, pant sets, comfort wear and much more. Like, the important feature of this platform is every product you will see is very affordable, and in addition you get tons of different methods of online. Its official platform says that is products are all made of quality materials, so you do not have to worry about the quality. Let's check out the specification of this website. It is https secure website. It is selling everything related to women clothing. They have shared their email address, contact detail, but no physical address have been shared. As far as its email address is concerned, it does not have any domain name, like it is not matching the domain name, and it can be a red alert. It needs process of your order about 24 hours. For shipping they need 5 to business days, depends on your location. You have to return the product if you are not satisfied within 2 days. Social media links are mentioned on the website. They have multiple payment methods. The positive point of the website are different varieties of products in the women's clothing niche available, very affordable products as compared to other online stores. Different ways are given for user to reach out to the official of this platform. The website is https secured. Different online methods are available, like you can choose to pay in installment even. The negative point of the website are the overview of the platform is not much professional. Platform does not have any separate page for shipping policy detail. No reviews are available on the website. The platform is created recently. Let's check out the detail. Either the website is legit or a scam. It was created on 13 June 2021 and its life expectancy date is very short, like it will expire on 13 June 2022. The photos of the products are very good, but the content is not good. The owner details and information are highlighted on the platform. The platform has legit social media links. The policies are not shared in detail. Trust score is just 1%. As far as trust rank is concerned, it has trust rank of 8.9 out of 100. The platform has great discount on almost every product, which raises suspicion and make us to check out the deal in depth. So as we all know that customer reviews are a great help for us to decide about the legitimacy of any online store. And this website has many reviews on its Facebook page, and all of them are positive. Moreover, like, customers are saying everything fits perfectly, the fabric is great and looking amazing, but we could not found any review on the online store, which is strange. So in our final verdict, we can say that the platform provides different values and services, and we cannot say if it is legit or not. But if we consider all positive reviews on its social media and a 5-star rating, it appears to be legit. So we recommend you all to make a thorough research on your own behalf before making any online shopping decision for this store. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience right in the comment box. We love to hear from you.